Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Friday the 23rd of December. It's nearly the end of the year, and the 2022 Advent calendar from My Paper Co. is also nearly over. Welcome to day 11. Let's take a look. Okay, let's see. What do we have for today? Okay, so we have another one in this size. Okay, that's probably something for the planner, but yesterday's one really threw me, I'll be honest with you. This one's a little bit firmer than yesterday's one. Let's take a look. Oh, okay. Right, okay, we're going to open this up because I think it's a dashboard. I need more coffee. Okay, yep, it's definitely a dashboard. It's in a very heavy card, and this side has that like velvety coating on it. I will say this really weird coating, I don't like it. I've never liked it on anything. Purpose fuels passion. Purpose is the reason you journey. Passion is the fire that lights the way. So I like the quote. I'm not gonna lie, I don't love it. Like everything else I've loved. This one, like I probably wouldn't use it. Between the texture, like it's a really heavy card, it'll last. It'll definitely last. Like this is easily 300 GSM or better. Like that's how thick it is. Like it is really thick. But I really don't like the coating of it. Like it feels weird on my hand. The other side is not coated. And it's blank. And this side's got like the grey backing on it. I'm not sure if it's coming up on camera with the gold writing on it. I'll be honest, this one has me a little meh. It's pretty, it's nice, and I know a lot of people will love this. This one just isn't my aesthetic, but cool. It's definitely for the B6. Could probably make this one work for the personal if I wanted to, because you would still get a fair bit of this, except that the My Paper Co would be out of center. So because of my issues with centering, because I need it to be centered, I'd probably cut it down on each side, and then you might end up with the punching through the words. So this one probably can't be cut down to personal. It's probably not a major deal, but yeah, what do you think of this one? What's your honest opinion of this one? Because yeah, like I said, this one I'm a little meh. Tell me what you think. I'm interested to know if I'm the only one on this one. Okay, well, thanks for joining me for day 11. This is the second last of the daily videos. The last unboxing will be tomorrow morning, which is Christmas Eve. We will have a wrap-up of the entire box contents on Sunday. Yes, Sunday, the 26th of December, which is Boxing Day in Australia. Does Boxing Day exist in other countries? I know it doesn't in the States. Like, do the Kiwis have Boxing Day? Okay, that's going to be bothering me for a while. Anyway, I'll have to do some researching. Anyway, there's a poll up on the community tab about whether or not the wrap-up should be on a live on Sunday. Head over there and let me know what you'd prefer. If you do say yes, be a sweetie and tell me what time will work and what time zone you're in, so that I can kind of do some time math and figure out what time to schedule this for. Hope you have a wonderful day. Stay safe, have fun. I'll catch you later.